All right, let's talk about this. Google just dropped Gemini CLI version 0.9.0. And honestly, this is not just another update. It's a complete rethink of what your command line can even do. This is a big one. And this quote right here, it absolutely nails it. We're talking about a move away from a tool that just, does what you tell it, to an intelligent partner that is actively in the trenches, coding with you. This isn't just an improvement, it's a whole new way of working. So, to really get why this is such a game changer, you've got to see it as a tale of two terminals. There's the way we've always done things, and then there's this incredible new world that the Gemini CLI is opening up. And this table just lays it all out. The traditional command line? It's pretty static, right? It's like a brick wall you just throw commands at. But the Gemini CLI? It feels interactive, it feels alive. It's no longer a one-way street, it's a full-on two-way collaboration. It transforms your terminal from this isolated little tool into an intelligent coder that lives right inside your workspace.
So you're probably asking, okay, how is this even possible? Well, it really boils down to two core breakthroughs that, for all intents and purposes, give your terminal an AI brain. Let's dig into what they are.
First up, and this is the biggest deal, a fully interactive shell. Now, let me be super clear here. This is not a simulation. It's not some cheap knockoff. We are talking about a full-blown native terminal environment running directly inside the AI itself. It's the real deal.
And what does fully interactive actually mean for you day to day? It means you can fire up complex tools like Vim to edit code live. You can pop open htop to see what your system is doing in real time. You can even run those tricky interactive Git commands, all without ever leaving that single seamless environment.
Now, the magic that makes all of this possible is something called a pseudo-terminal, or PTY. The simple way to think about it is that it creates this perfect mirror of your local terminal experience. Every color, every cursor movement, but it's all happening inside the AI with basically zero lag. It feels completely native, because it pretty much is.
Okay, the second big breakthrough is persistent context, and this is where things just go to a whole other level. The AI, it has a memory now. It remembers your entire session, what project you're working on, and what you're trying to achieve. It's not just reacting to single commands anymore, it actually understands the whole conversation.
And it gets even better. Because of this thing called Genkit integration, the CLI is not just some closed-off tool. It's actually a self-aware platform that you can build on top of. That means you can create your own AI-aware tools and workflows, making the whole system even smarter and perfectly tailored to how you work.
Okay, so that's all the cool tech. But what does this actually feel like to use? Let's walk through what a normal day might look like for a developer using this new AI-powered workflow.
So, picture this. You start a new project, but instead of guessing your way through the setup, the AI is right there, guiding you. Then, you just open up Vim and start coding. Time to commit? You run a complex Git command, and instead of that cryptic output you have to go Google, Gemini just explains what's happening in plain English. And if you need to check performance, htop is right there instantly. The whole thing is just one smooth, intelligent flow. So let's zoom out for a second. This is obviously more than just a cool new gadget. This really feels like a fundamental shift in where development is heading, and it's really important to get who this is for and why it matters so much.
See, this isn't just for one specific group. We're talking about seasoned developers looking to supercharge their workflows, coders who need a smart assistant to help with tricky bugs, and hey, even just curious individuals who want to play with the future. And to make sure everyone can get in on this, Google is making it incredibly accessible.
Speaking of accessible, take a look at this number, 1 million. Any guesses what that could be?
That's 1 million tokens of free context using Gemini 1.5 Pro. What that really means is you're getting access to seriously powerful professional-grade AI tools for free, right there on your command line. That is a massive opportunity for anyone to just jump in and start using it. When you add it all up, the live interactive shell, the memory, the fact that you can build on top of it, you start to realize this isn't just another update. This is a real, tangible glimpse into the future of AI-augmented programming. It's a future where our own creativity gets a massive boost from these intelligent tools. And that really brings us to the big question, doesn't it? We can see how the Gemini CLI is changing the game right now, but it really makes you wonder, is this the future of coding we're looking at? Or is this just the very, very beginning of an even bigger revolution to come?